everybody, let's go to Family Dollar and do the 5 off of 25 deal for April 23rd. The first thing you want to grab is 3 of the Colgate Toothpaste. They are $2 each. You're going to want to use the 5 off of 3 digital coupon in the Family Dollar app. You're going to grab the Dawn Squeeze Soap for $3. You're going to want to use a $1 off digital coupon. I grabbed something different. I grabbed the Vaseline Rosy Lips for $2.15. Used a $1 off digital coupon. I ended up grabbing the Degree for $5.10. I used a $1.50 off digital coupon. And then I will be submitting my receipt for $2 back with Ibotta. I also grabbed the Suave deodorant for $2.30. I used a 50-cent off digital coupon. And I will be submitting my receipt for 50 cents with Ibotta. And then I also grabbed the Dove's Men deodorant for $4.10. And I used the $1.50 off digital coupon. And then I will be submitting my receipt for $2 back with Ibotta. And then I just needed to spend $2 more, so I ended up getting 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese for $1.30. And I will be submitting my receipt to Ibotta for 35 cents times 2. So here is the items that I got. I got 10 items. Before coupons, it came to $25.25. With just the digital coupons alone, it came to $10.50 plus that $5 off the 5 off of 20. So I got $15.50 taken off of this total. And then with Ibotta, I will be receiving $5.20 back. So I ended up paying $9.75 for all this, but I will be getting the $5.20 back with Ibotta. So my grand total came to $4.55. I got 10 items for $4.55. That's 45 cents each. I think that it's a great deal. Follow me for more deals and let's have fun shopping.